This tutorial is being made for my middle school physical science students so that you will know where to find material for class. Alright, so this is RenWeb, now known as Facts. And when you go in, you will be able to locate each of the days of the week. And for each day of the week, I use the same format. This is telling you what we did in class, what the homework is, videos we've watched or recommended to watch later, along with the supplemental material. And I'll go into each of those in a moment. All right, and from here you can see that this is an active link. It is taking you to the study guide for an upcoming test. Let's go back here. And then also we have the supplemental materials. You're going to see files and folders. When we click on that, it is going to take you to this section right here. There's two folders underneath files and folders. This first one is the textbook, key terms, scans, etc. And what I've done is color copied, PDF'd chapters, chapter by chapter, so that if you forget your book at home, or if you're traveling and it's a whole lot easier not to have the heavy book with you, you have access to this. We also have the section of the glossary and index, so you can quickly reference things. Here again is the master list of key terms for the year, as well as your key terms. That same list where I have put some spacing in between them. These are the papers already handed out to most of you, so you can write your definitions on here if you choose to not use binder paper. Okay, so then you can see different links to the videos that we'll be watching in class throughout the week. And this same information is also written up on the whiteboard at the front of the class so that you can see the agenda for the week. And you're not going to get caught off guard by anything, okay? So again, you have all of these items out there to help you if you're homesick or if you're taking a trip, etc. Please make sure to share this with your parents. All right, send an email if you have any questions.